Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your weekly screencast video. So, this week we're moving into week 4 and beginning to narrow down the topic, the possible topic for your cultural artifacts essay draft that'll be due in week 5. So, this week's activity, hopefully in discussion board number 4, let's head over there real quick, is where you develop one, hopefully one of your possible 3 cultural artifacts mentioned in discussion board number 3. I've read most of the posts to date. I believe everybody's on a good path in choosing a cultural artifact. Later in the week, as always, I will post up a lecture video. I do have, I think I've got 1 or 2 really good examples of the cultural artifact essay that I'll post about midweek so that you can get an idea about the tone and how a successful draft is constructed. So you want to I say for discussion board number 4, select an item and start digging into the specifics of that cultural artifact. You want to be sure that you include the description, the history, and significance of that cultural artifact, both personal and cultural. Some of the thought process here will benefit you for the essay draft coming up next week. So that's discussion board number 4. Be sure to help each other along the way. Really comment about the cultural artifact topics and then possibilities. Will help everybody out as we move forward toward the draft of the very first essay, cultural artifacts essay, excuse me there. All right, so that's what's up for this week. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.